adorable. So much Dora!
Oh, Max!
Oopsie. Ow.
What the heck did you fart for?
But I didn't.
But you did.
But I didn't. You did not. No, you're not walking out on me. You just gave me the finger. Huh? You just gave me the finger? You're not just doing another, like, 6 times, right? Ow. You're breaking the camera, you idiot.
Max! Why would you do such a thing?
Cut what?
Cut it, bitch.
Cut what, bitch?
Turn the camera. Turn the camera off.
Okay. Taking a long time.
Turn the damn camera off.